10 amazing benefits of drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Nothing can pay off your thirst like a tall glass of sweet lemonade on a hot, sweaty day. Even plain lemon water can put a stop to your extreme tiredness in a jiffy while pumping your body with numerous essential nutrients. If you think to take a healthy turn in your life, this video gives you all the information. All you have to do is squeeze some lemon juice into warm water and drink on an empty stomach. Boosting your immunity. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which plays an important role in boosting your immunity. Lemon water can help shield your body from many immune system deficiencies, making sure your body stays healthy and fit always. Lemon juice balances the body's pH. It is necessary to maintain the pH levels of your body to make sure your system functions properly. Altered pH levels can mess with your digestive system and even unsettle your blood pressure levels. Lemon water makes sure that your body's pH levels stay under control, preventing many diseases and health disorders. Antibacterial properties. Lemon is known to possess strong antibacterial properties. Consuming lemon water in the morning will make sure that your body stays free of infections. Lemon contains high amounts of pectin, which can do wonders for your colon health. Detoxify the body. Lemon also happens to be a strong detox agent. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning will flush out all the toxins from your system. Lemon is also known to purify your blood, thus keeping your body free from many health disorders. It gives the digestive system a smooth. Drinking warm lemon water will make sure that your digestive system functions smoothly. The citric acid present in the lemon will keep digestive problems at bay. It will interact with the other essential enzymes in your stomach and stimulate the secretion of gastric juices. Gives you healthy liver. Lemon water can also benefit your liver health. Studies have observed that the liver produces more enzymes in the presence of lemon when compared to other food items. Enzymes are essential to stimulate, accelerate, and catalyze various chemical reactions in the human body. Cleanses the liver. Chances are that all the foods you have consumed over your lifetime have intoxicated your liver to a great extent. Lemon water ingested in the morning will help cleanse your liver. Lemon juice stimulates the liver to flush out all its toxins, reviving it like never before. Lemon fight infections. Lemon is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can cure a host of health issues. Drinking lemon water daily will help fight respiratory tract infections to a great extent. It can also help cure sore throats and inflammation of the tonsils. Great source of calcium. Lemon is a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals that your body can't do without. It is loaded with calcium, magnesium, potassium, citric acid, phosphorus, and many more nutrients that are necessary to keep your body ticking. A glass of lemon water a day can really keep the doctor away. Lemon helps with weight loss. Lemon water can be greatly effective for those who are trying to shed some pounds. Drinking warm lemon water the first thing in the morning will melt away all your fat like magic. The pectin fiber present in lemon keeps your cholesterol levels under control and curbs your hunger, preventing you from overeating or snacking. How to prepare it. 1 lemon. 1 large mug. Warm, filtered water. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon half into the mug. Add the warm, filtered water to the lemon juice. Make sure you do not add boiled water, as this would destroy some of the therapeutic properties of lemon. Consume on an empty stomach.